Trading practices in FMCG are increasingly hamstrung by outmoded methods. The FMCG Institute's Masterclass, Rethinking Trading Strategy, addresses the urgent need for a new approach. Featuring the innovative Equip model, it proposes a transformational roadmap for optimizing trading strategy and customer engagement. This masterclass is now running in select locations around the world. Here's what some participants have said about it.
I would split the value of this very important masterclass on two core elements. First, that it helps you to structure better and to put on the front line the understanding of very high importance of having this kind of strategy. And secondly, if you are on a more advanced stage, it helps you to rejuvenate this understanding.
I think the main value is the chance to exchange best practices between companies to tackle different common issues that we have regarding negotiation, customer alignment, and also internal alignment.
I would describe the model presented as very relevant to our everyday roles.
The model presented is really innovative.
Well thought, but at the same time not overloaded, it's not too massive.
What it's definitely bringing is it ties it all together in a very neat way. So it's not just a sales response or a sales view to it, but you really need to look at it cross-functionally.
I enjoy the model. I think it's clear, it's easy to understand, and it's very practical to go and implement.
I think that the content is very comprehensive. As I said, it is very aligned with the present trade disruption and the tectonic shift that we are having, tackling very concrete issues on trade spend, which is one of the nightmares of many companies. So we went through all the different issues that we are facing.
I would describe the content as very relevant to our everyday roles.
They will help us to present our challenges internally in a much more clear way and to make a step change in how we define our targets internally and how we get tools in order to achieve our goals externally.
I really enjoyed the people around me, not only because of their professional background and contribution in the discussion, but also because all they are very nice personalities. And actually it helped me a lot to contribute as much as I could. I had some humble experience as a trainer internally in my company, and I really admired the way how simply this sophisticated topic was presented.
I did find that this specific group was quite interactive in the room and outside of the room, so definitely people that you would want to connect to going forward. But I thought it was a great mix of experience. I wanted to make sure that the level of leadership that attended this was senior enough, and most certainly that's what I experienced.
The dynamic was excellent. We all worked very well together and had lots of different observations and opinions to share.
I will recommend strongly to participate to all sales directors. It will help you to open your mind to new ways of doing things, to the real challenges in your organization with a higher view of how to advance on them.
I think it's very relevant for sales, and to be honest, I see a lot of value, of potential value for other functions to join as well.
I would recommend all leading manufacturers, small or big. In my mind, there's no training course that could give you this type of insight that we've discussed here. If you would ask me, would I do this again? Absolutely.
I think this masterclass is a kind of masterpiece of giving these kind of events.
The Rethinking Trading Strategy Masterclass is scheduled for multiple international locations in 2018 and 2019. To find out more and secure your place, please follow the link in the description below.